Instagram recently had a massive update where now anyone, regardless of how many followers you have on Instagram, could take a YouTube video and share it on their Instagram stories. Let me show you exactly how to do it in this video. You could do this with your own videos or really any video on YouTube. I'm just on my homepage here. I'm gonna go ahead and go to my channel and go to videos. And let's say I wanted to share this video right here. I'm gonna go ahead and press the three dots on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and share this video. So I'm gonna press share because I need to copy the link. I'm not gonna share it to Instagram from here. I'm just gonna go ahead and press copy right here. And I'm gonna exit YouTube. Now let's jump into Instagram. I'm gonna go to my Instagram profile here. I'm gonna press the plus sign right here to add to my story. Let's jump in there. Now you could either take a picture, you could upload a picture if you press this icon. In my case, I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna actually draw a solid color background. I'm gonna choose draw. I'm just gonna pick a color here and press and hold. And I'll press done here. Now to add a YouTube link here or any link to any other website, press the sticker icon here and look for link under the search bar. You want link. This is a link sticker. And then you just copy and paste that video link that we had. That's the YouTube link. I'm gonna go ahead and press done. You could tap on it for more options, right? There's a couple of different versions you could have. And then you could go ahead and increase the size here. Now what I recommend you do here, I recommend you add a little bit more text here, like new video or something like that. So I just styled that. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger and do something like this and maybe even add a video emoji. So let's look up video here. There's the YouTube logo I found here. So I'm gonna go ahead and increase the size of that and put it over here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press next here and I'm gonna go ahead and share it to my story and then I'll show you when someone views it what they get. Now I'm checking this from a different profile here. If someone clicks right here, they're gonna get this. And if they click right there, it will automatically start playing the video just like that on the next page.